Welcome to installing Puppet Server. The first video we attempted to install Puppet Server by installing the repo from Puppet Labs, and it looks like it's missing some critical software, including the startup script in init.d. So I still have the repo on this Red Hat, CentOS 7.2 server, so I'm going to attempt to install it again, see how it goes. So this command is yum install Puppet Server, and looks like it wants to put in a repository again. Let's try that. It's 40 megabytes, so no, it looks like it's Puppet Server itself. So that's a 40 megabyte file coming down. And hopefully with that installed, that's going to be the config files we're missing. Let's see. So now we're pulling it down from Puppet Labs. So it's always rough to get this stuff installed because this stuff is always out of date. Instructions are always out of date. So looks like they're saying I can just start this thing up when this is done. I know we have to do some configuration and we have to put in certificates, but let's see now if we can even start this thing. That would be interesting. And then we'll go on to configuring it. Let's make sure it's all here first. So we'll try with a generic start command. See how it goes. Okay, this is good. So it's trying to start up the Puppet server. And I'm thinking now that we have to put in our certificates and do the manifest, but it looks like the actual code now to run Puppet's here. So installing this thing was a two-part process. And this is taking a long time to start, so I'm thinking either I got configuration issues or it's just a real difficult program to start. It would be interesting to see what's happening on the server that we're running Puppet on. Let's try that. Okay, well, let's see what happened here. Control process, the error code, system control, status, Puppet server. So it looks like it tried to start, but it didn't. So we may not have enough prerequisites in this thing. Take a look. What would be ideal would be to make an RPM that would install this thing perfectly once everything's figured out. So here's some of the debug information. What's missing here? Error code, so I might have some bad configuration here. So I'm going to go back and debug this then. Looks like I'm having some, okay, it's a Java error. So here we're seeing that our Java heap is out of memory. So we're going to have to configure the Java heap to get this running. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.